I'm going to go through how to set up the throttle curve for the Airbus A321. So if you go here into the menu and tweak action curve for the throttle, you're going to see that neutral is going to be different on the A321 than it is for the A320. It's here for the 321, but it's actually on the x-axis for the A320, and so that's going to necessitate setting up a different curve. And so this is what I used for settings: minus 0.1 for sensitivity plus, 0.25 for sensitivity minus, and neutral is at minus 0.1. And so when I go to the detents of CL, I get here, and then FLX MCT is here, and that will get you something that will line up with the detents on the plane itself. Okay, so for going through the throttle curve, you can see that neutral's here, and it goes back to 0 nicely, and then it goes to the first detent, locks in place, goes to the second detent, and locks into place there. I hit rotation speed. A little bit of a crosswind today. You're up. Retract flaps. I'll turn on the auto throttle now, because I get it into the point where it responds correctly to the auto throttle, and so that's why you need to set the curve up like that.
Feel free to subscribe to Tasty Sandwiches for more flight simming and airshow videos.